This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can customize and just generally change the flight mode settings and preferences on this device. So to start, make sure that your drone is connected to the HOVERAir X1 application. Then inside the mobile app, let me actually slightly reduce the screen brightness so you'll be better able to see what's going on the screen. So here you'll need to open the hover settings while in the hover tab. So make sure that this section of the mobile app is selected. Then open hover settings, and here at the very top you have the whole flight settings section, which allows you to change all possible preferences and options for each available flight mode. You can also change the flight mode, select which ones are displayed here, but that's a topic for another video. Now, if you'll, for example, select zoom out flight mode, you can adjust its distance, altitude, whether it will have target tracking enabled or not, as well as change the camera recording settings for it. So resolution, frame rate, video encoding, color, zoom, vertical shooting mode, whatever is that you are looking to change. And those things are somewhat the same across all flight settings. You'll get and somewhat unique option or somewhat unique adjustment here and there, depending on what any given mode is supposed to be doing. So they definitely will have a slightly different preferences to adjust, should I say. But yeah, that's how you generally customize the flight settings and flight mode preferences, including the camera options. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.